this video we are going to discuss how GPU driver and compiler interact with each other. GPU compiler and GPU driver works together to execute program on GPU. This GPU driver is responsible for interacting with GPU, CPU and other component. GPU compiler work is to generate machine code that will execute on the GPU, whereas driver provide infra for executing this machine code and interact with GPU, CPU and other component. Driver comes into the play when the machine code generated by the compiler is executed on GPU. Here is an overview how the compiler interacts with the GPU driver. Let's generate the machine code that is optimized for the target GPU. This machine code passed to the GPU driver for execution. Driver allocates memory for the machine code and data that transfer between GPU and the CPU. After that, GPU driver schedule tasks to execute multiple instructions in parallel on GPU. GPU driver then synchronize the execution of tasks on GPU to ensure that dependency all are met are correct or not. Then return the result to the CPU where they can proceed and data can be used. When the code get executed on the GPU driver is responsible for following things. GPU driver set up the GPU and configure it for the optimal performance. GPU driver allocates the memory. It also schedules the task. Along with the scheduling the task is also synchronize the execution. It is also responsible for monitoring the performance of the GPU. It's how GPU compiler and GPU driver interact with each other. In upcoming videos, we will going to discuss about GPU compiler.